There are so many lawsuits that have been filed against this administration over so many things they've tried to do. It's hard to keep them all straight. Well, there was a case brought by Planned Parenthood after Donald Trump signed this one big ugly tax bill that could potentially jeopardize funding for Planned Parenthood. There was provisions in there about which clinics could or couldn't receive Medicaid funds targeting Planned Parenthood specifically in the tax bill. And they sued, said that it could cause them to close over 200 locations in 24 states, and it could drastically affect patient care. Well, there was a temporary injunction put in place originally. As the case played out, well, a federal judge has ruled on that case and has said this provision is out. The administration cannot do this, and they must be allowed to receive Medicaid funding. Now, this is obviously going to be appealed. Donald Trump appeals everything. He wants to get it before either the right Court of Appeals or the right Supreme Court or the Supreme Court, and hope that they all side with him and see things his way. But one of the things why the Republicans have been going against Planned Parenthood for decades now is there is a misconception that Planned Parenthood uses federal dollars for abortion care, and they do not. They have never used Medicaid dollars for abortion care. It covers everything else: health screenings, STI, STD testing, and other health screenings and other medical procedures. And that's what this judge said in their ruling, was that by limiting access to patients to be able to choose where they go, that affects their access to care. Now, Republicans screamed and hollered when the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, looked like it might affect your ability to choose your own doctor. And that was one of the things Obama came out and said, and it was probably one of the worst things he could have said about it, was that you'd get to keep your doctor. Because not always did it allow you to. But in this case, if your provider is one tied to Planned Parenthood, Republicans want to be able to come out and say, well, you can't go there. We don't think that's okay. This is them trying to once again tell you that they know what's best for you. You don't know what's best for yourself or anything else. Republicans like to cry about freedoms when it's a Democrat making the decisions, but they would, when the script is flipped, they want to be able to make those decisions for you. So for now, Planned Parenthood is going to be able to continue to receive Medicaid funds. We will have to see how the appeals all play out, but I don't think Donald Trump and the Republicans are going to win this one.